Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, and today we're going to be doing a analysis on Cardano. So yeah, just gonna write that out there to show you guys. This is Cardano. We're gonna be doing Cardano against USDT. I'm also the Crypto Jew on Twitter. If you guys enjoy this, follow me there. If you guys really like this analysis, you can also sign up on our website. The link is down below, and you can join our group chat as well for further signals and market analysis like this, all for free. So just to get started, I'm gonna do a simple Elliott wave pattern here based off what I believe I see. And what I believe is possible right here is that we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just like this, that brought us all the way to almost a little bit over 10 cents, I believe. We wicked into around the 10-cent zone. And in order for this wave to stay valid, we need to have a close that closes above this zone. So price can wick into this area, but it cannot close underneath for this move to continue upwards. Um, it is very possible that we reach this zone, wick into it, maybe even have a candle closure right around this zone and create a double bottom, which would invalidate the wave, but it wouldn't mean that we would have to go much further. The pattern would not, this pattern over here would just end up not being valid, and we wouldn't have an ABC somewhere in here as well. So if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are going to have an ABC somewhere in here. Potential zone could be like here, for example. We have the B complete there, and then we have the C complete somewhere over here. Before that happens, we need to figure out if we are really going to reach this zone. And I see that as being very possible. And one thing we're going to have to look out for is a break under here. So we have that support right there. You could see price wicks to that zone multiple times. And I believe we are going to reach that zone again and most likely go underneath. So a break under this zone would take us to this area to complete a double bottom. I'm just going to write that down. A break under the current support will take us to the highlighted zone, creating a double bottom. And if you guys don't know much about this double bottom pattern, I have a trading course on the website. We have a free course and we have a premium course. You guys can learn all about these sort of patterns. It's really great to know. This is how I figure out most of the entries I want to make just by knowing these sort of patterns and these different indicators and trading techniques. It really helps me a lot to stay where I need to be in the market and figure out where I should have my money or have my Bitcoin invested. I invest my Bitcoin into different altcoins, and it really helps me figure out where I should put that. So just some other news in the Cardano world. Um, I just saw that they recently reopened deposits after an upgrade for Cardano. They have reopened deposits and withdrawals on OKX. That's a good sign. And if you look at coin trends, this is a thing on Twitter. Let me show you guys that right now. So I look at this Twitter page. I recommend you guys follow them. This shows you the top 10 mentions on Twitter in the last hour. Of course, BTC, ETH, XRP are pretty much always there. But as you guys see, XTZ, I did analysis on that as well recently. It got a lot of interest. And then you see we have ADA here. So that's a good sign whenever I see that. That's part of the reason why I did this analysis. ADA is getting a lot of interest right now on Twitter, and people get hyped from what they see on Twitter. They make investments off of what they see on Twitter, whether it's a good idea or a bad idea. It could be used as a signal as well, combined with different indicators. So now let's go take a look at the charts again. So now I'm looking at the Cardano chart on charts.cointrader.pro. It gives you a look at different currencies based off of prices on a wide range of cryptocurrency markets, and it gives you a much longer term view. So this can show me Cardano basically for like its all time prices. So if we look at the 1 week chart, we can see that Cardano in the past has been around $1.30. So typically with a bubble, you'll have the collapse, and you'll usually have a double bottom reached or somewhere that brings us close to a double bottom. I would say on this rise up over here, we had some sort of hope, and now we are in the disbelief phase. And I would say this right over here is definitely disbelief, and we will definitely have a rally after this finishes correcting. We will get much higher than this area over here. I'd even say we're probably going to reach this zone over here. I would say this would be my long-term target for once this double bottom is completed. and that's a pretty large increase from this zone over here. Even if we invest over here, 3.7 cents, that's about 750% increase. And then if we make it all the way to the top over here where we were, around dollar and 30 cents, that's around a 3,300% increase. So that's about 33 times your money if we make it back to this zone. So that's something I'm looking for in the long term with Cardano, and with their future staking coming into the picture. We're gonna have staking in the future. So by holding Cardano, you'll be able to stake and earn interest, and that's passive income. So that is also something that makes an asset like this a very nice thing to invest in. So, looking to see what happens with this. If you guys would like to see further updates, please join our Telegram chat. The link is down below, and you can sign up on the website for further updates as well. Also, subscribe on YouTube and subscribe on Twitter. Take care, guys.